Yeah, I mean, Michael, I covered that last trial for Chad Daybell that we were out there in Boise, Idaho for quite some time. I was just watching her over here on the other screen, some of the past video that we have of her. And, you know, it's just so interesting to see how all of this has unfolded and now how she is choosing to represent herself and how this will go, how the judge during the hearing this morning talked to her about the way she needs to title her motions. He is being patient with her. He's giving her a lot of direction. And as you were mentioning, throughout, when the trial gets going, it's going to be tough. And he's probably going to have to provide her with so much direction. I think you're right. He's going to eventually say to her, you know what, maybe let's take a break, go back and think about if this is how you want to continue.
Yeah, if you ask any judge, what's the hardest thing about being a judge? The first thing they'll tell you is the pay cut I take, and the second thing they'll tell you is people going pro se. Even not in just complicated criminal trials. I'm talking about just any basic motion, right? And also, here's the thing, strategically speaking, it also didn't make any sense to me why, nothing that she does make sense, but this definitely didn't make sense because technically she's only convicted of a crime right now that she theoretically could appeal, theoretically could come back on appeal. And so if she represents herself here and she has a FUBAR, she makes a mistake and she gets convicted here, but the other appeal gets approved on her initial conviction, then now she's still spending the rest of her life in prison for conspiracy to murder one of her husbands with another trial coming. So again, nothing makes sense, but you know, it is what it is.